Here's a 5-minute meditation that anyone can do, plus some tips to help you with your practice. Hi, I'm Lennie, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help you to love, trust, know, and heal yourself. Now, I have people say to me, Sam, how do I meditate? They say to me that they don't have the time to meditate, or that they're not sure if what they're doing is actual meditation. Sometimes they say that they struggle to find the right practice for them. And maybe also it's all about not getting stuck in your head around how meditation is meant to look based on what you're told, based on what's going on the outside, and gurus and etc. saying this is how it should look. So I'm here to just chuck away all of those rules and possible beliefs for you right now, so you can meditate with me and choose to do it differently. Number one tip though, before we start, is don't call it meditation, which sounds a bit weird, but I find that if we call it a certain thing, i.e. meditation, it puts pressure on us to do it and hold ourselves accountable to a certain way. So why not call it something else? You could say that you were hanging out with your body for 10 minutes. You could say that you were chatting to your mind, having a conversation with your heart. I don't know, get creative, whatever feels good for you. But the point being is that just ditch the word meditation for now, because however you want to spend time with yourself and solely with yourself without any distractions on the outside, forget the mind. I'm not thinking about the mind for the moment, but any distractions outside, call it what you want to call it. Tip number one. The second tip is to know that if you want to be more disciplined with spending time with your body, then planning it is going to create so much more ease, flow, and freedom for you. So if you decide that you only want to do or can do 5 minutes a day, then schedule that in the diary. Get your diary out and schedule it as done. Tip number 2 is to plan it. When we plan things, it makes it so much easier to jump into that thing, having been ready and prepared to go and do that thing and start it right from the intention of doing it. It's like having a car and getting into the car and there being no diesel or petrol in the tank. You know, it just throws out the next 10 minutes. Just causes so much confusion and annoyance and frustration. So just plan it. Put it in the diary. If you are somebody that likes to, prefers to do guided meditations or listen to music when you meditate, then set out your ideal music. You know, you can put it on as an app, you can put it on your phone. There's Headspace and there's Calm and there's all of these apps that do guided meditations and help you with that. Or if it's a piece of music, wherever you've got this from, maybe it's from YouTube or whatever, or maybe you want to save this 5-minute meditation that we're about to do together. Save it somewhere, plan it, prep it. So when you go into doing your 5 minutes, within 3 seconds, you're launched and you're in. Same goes for headphones. Make sure your headphones are charged. Plan it, set it out, and then you're going to have so much more success and it's going to feel better. My third tip is to time yourself. So set your timer. If 5 minutes is the only amount of time you have, that's perfect. So set the timer for 5 minutes. You've probably experienced this before, I know I have, where you go, right, I'm going to do 10 minutes of meditation. and then you set everything up and you get into the zone, and then 4 or 5 minutes goes past, and then you start to feel irritated and you get a bit distracted. And the question is like, how much longer have I got on this meditation? Completely throws you out out of your rhythm. So just put the timer on so you know that you're not going to need to focus on the time. That's what we're going to do now. So let's meditate together. Let's go with it. Let's flow with it. Let's see what comes up and just spend time chatting with our body. Let's do this together. Let's practice together. So I have put 5 minutes on my timer, my phone timer. Find yourself in a comfy position. Take a deep breath and let that breath out. Move around, just sit and be however feels good for you. So let's press the timer. Okay, closing down the eyes. And then just taking a breath and letting that breath fall out of you. And as you do so, your shoulders will immediately just fall away from your ears. And simply let your breath carry itself in its normal pattern. Let it do its thing. And every time you exhale, your body softens and relaxes a little more deeply. Shoulders relaxing more. Your jaw relaxes. Teeny tiny muscles in your face soften, let go and relax. Your arms feel heavy. Your hands, your fingers completely relax. Back of your neck relaxes and softens. Your upper spine, your middle spine, your lower spine relaxes, softens, and falls deeply into the space between your hips, relaxing and softening. As your body softens more deeply, you may want to sway and move. Just let yourself be an allowance of you. Hips softening more, legs, ankles, feet and toes completely relaxing. enjoying this presence of being. Noticing sensations or movement in any part of your body. Letting go some more, relaxing and softening. Noticing any signals in your body. So letting that part of your body go. Taking your hands to prayer position, bringing them to your heart, to your chest, bowing your head and thanking yourself for taking this time to pause and be with your body. And now taking a deep breath, inhaling and exhaling, waking up the body, moving, flexing the fingers and the toes. And when you're ready, just coming back to the screen. And we're done. 5-minute practice of being with your body. I hope you enjoyed these tips and this 5-minute meditation. Save it for later and drop me a line in the comments below. Let me know how you feel. Share with me any of your own meditation or being with your body tips. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. So like, subscribe and hit the notifications button because I'll be posting every week from now on. So take care, sending you lots of love, and I'll see you again soon.